a bowl, add heavy cream, 250 ml, and then whipping cream, 500 ml. Having these two prevent our ice cream to be icy, which usually happens when we don't use ice cream churner machine. The next is condensed milk, 375 ml. We'll mix it all together till smooth, thick, and no lumps. Divide it into how many flavors you would like. But in this video, I divide it into 4 medium bowls. In the first bowl, add 2 tablespoons pistachio paste. Mix it well. In the second bowl, we'll add chocolate, about 1/4 cup, and then mix. In the third bowl, we'll add half cup strawberry puree, then we'll mix it. In the last bowl, we'll add half cup mango puree. Mix it as well. And then, we'll add some crunch and texture to our ice cream. In the first bowl, we'll add crushed pistachio, and then chocolate chips in the second bowl, while the mango chunks. In the third bowl, semi-crushed butter biscuits in the fourth bowl. We will mix it all to distribute equally. And then cover. We will freeze it for about 4 hours or overnight. And then we will scoop each. This is pistachio. And garnish as desired. And strawberry. The mango. And then the chocolate. There you go, our pistachio, chocolate, strawberry, and mango ice cream. Thank you for watching. Till next time. Bye!